Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today's video, we will be sharing the top wall hanging plant ideas for small spaces. If you are someone who loves plants but has limited space, then this video is for you. We will be showcasing unique and creative ideas to add greenery to your small living spaces. So let's get started. Vertical garden. A vertical garden is a perfect solution for small spaces. You can hang plants on the wall and create a beautiful and unique display. Use a wooden frame or a metal grid to create a structure that you can attach the plants to. Next, macrame plant hangers. Macrame plant hangers are a trendy way to display plants in small spaces. They add bohemian vibe to your home decor and can be easily made with a few simple supplies. You can also customize the length and style of the hanger to fit your space. The next idea is about hanging shelves. Hanging shelves are another great way to display your plants in a small space. You can use wooden boards or metal grids and attach them to the wall with ropes or chains. This will create a beautiful floating shelf effect that can hold multiple plants. Now we are showing the next idea as window sill planter. If you have limited floor space, consider using your window sill to display plants. You can use small planters or even create a mini herb garden that can thrive in natural light. This is a great option for those who want to grow their own fresh herbs. Wall mounted planters. Wall mounted planters are a great way to add a unique touch to your small space. They come in various shapes and sizes, and you can choose the one that fits your decor. You can also mix and match different plants to create a beautiful display. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching our top wall hanging plant ideas for small spaces. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have any other plant ideas that you would like to share, feel free to leave them down below.